Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to sign up for Wix affiliate program. So first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com, and from here just simply search for Wix affiliate. And now from here you should be able to see here the Wix affiliate program. So just simply click on over here, guys. And now from here you should be able to see a button over here, start earning now. So click on over here. And after that, you should be able to have the sign up form. So guys, from here, just simply provide your first name, your last name, and your company name as well, and your email address down below. And down below, just simply provide your address, city, country, province, and the postal code. And most importantly, your number. And now once you have provided it, just simply scroll down, guys. And from here, just simply provide your site name. I'm gonna go for best online tutorials. Just simply provide your URL over here and make sure to check this box over here. My site does not contain abusive content. And from here, just simply click on over here and just simply answer if you are a previously Wix affiliate. So I'm going to go for no, and I'm going to check these boxes over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on submit. And from there, as you can see, you'll be able to sign up for Wix affiliate. And after that, guys, you will receive an email. And as you can see, if your application is approved, you will receive your login information containing a username and password reset link. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.